Hi everyone, I'm Kyle Leong. Mas kilala niyo siguro ako sa YouTube channel ko na Kyle Leong Car Reviews. Pero anyway, today something very important. Nag-partner up tayo with Raid Store Philippines at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang entire range ng dashcams that Raid Store Philippines has. They have one of the best and most easy to use dashcams dito sa Pilipinas, and these are very important for the roads nowadays dito dahil maraming hindi marunong mag-drive, unfortunately. So importante talaga na kumuha kayo ng dashcam ngayon na. At papakita ko sa inyo isa-isa ang lahat ng dashcam ng Raid Store Philippines. Tara, tingnan na natin. So everyone, ang hawak ko dito ngayon ay ang QCY V20 Pro dashcam. What I absolutely love about this dashcam is if you can see yung bezels niya, it's not that thick. Okay, medyo makapal siya dito sa sides, pero sa taas and sa baba, where it matters the most, yung bezel niya, kumbaga, parang naka-top of the line na smartphone. Hindi siya gano'ng kakapal, so it also wouldn't take up that much space dito sa rear view mirror mo. Speaking of your rear view mirrors, dito ang mountings mo with rubber bands around it na iikot around your rear view mirror. You also have carbon accents sa likod, tapos mga exhaust fans mo, power button sa baba, and also speakers sa baba. Dito naman sa tabi, this is the party piece right here, and this one right here is the camera na retractable siya. So, depende na lang sa laki ng rear view mirror mo. Magdedepende kung i-retract ba natin o i-full screen ba natin, pwede mong ilabas or ipasok din. Napakadaling gamitin ito at napakadaling install, especially kapag kumuha ka mula sa Raid Store dahil they will also install the dashcam for you, and napakapulido ng gawa ng Raid Store. Makikita niyo naman na dito, once kinabit na tong dashcam, it runs all around your headboard and also all around your car papunta doon sa likod para doon sa reverse camera na meron din ito, by the way. That way, magiging malinis at pulido ang look ng kotse mo. So ngayon tingnan natin paano ginagamit itong V20 Pro na dashcam na ito. So start muna natin yung kotse. And pag start mo, automatic na mag-on na rin yung dashcam after just a slight delay right there, QCY. Now that the dashcam is on, automatic na yan nandoon sa recording screen. Now if you want to stop the recording, very easy, you just press this red button right here. Gusto mo ng up and down para mas makita mo yung front top and front bottom. Meron ka nitong arrows on the left side of the dashcam that you can control. You can also change the brightness. Ito lang, madali lang. Sobrang simple gamitin itong brightness, and pwede mo rin i-mute just by pressing this mic button. Now, to cycle through the viewing modes, kung ngayon, nandito tayo sa forward view, magtatap lang ako ng isang beses, kita ko na ang front and rear. Kung gusto ko makita lang yung rear, tatap ko na yung rear lang. Pero kung gusto ko naman mag-cycle through without touching either of one of the two, I can just press this cycle button here sa upper right corner, and magsa-cycle na siya isa-isa. Kung gusto ko rin mag-take ng isang picture, pwede ko rin pindutin itong picture button na to. One thing pala, no, kasi meron itong auto loop na nagde-delete siya nung mga mas luma pag napupuno na yung memory card mo. There's actually a button here na yung parang may lock icon siya. So pag press mo yun, magla-lock siya para hindi unintentionally made-delete yung video recording na yun. Now, tingnan na natin ang iba pang menus na itong V20 Pro. So press lang, pindutin mo itong home button, and you can view your files right here, and you can also change your settings dito. Kung gusto mo rin bumalik naman doon sa recording, simply press record and you are back just like that. Incredibly easy to use. One more thing pala, no? Tandaan niyo may reverse cam, di ba? Pwede mo siya i-touch manually, pero kung gusto mo siyang automatically mag-turn on, madali lang yan dahil nakatap naman yan dito sa kotse. Lalagay ko lang yung kotse sa reverse, and automatically mag-on na yung reverse cam. Meron ka pa nitong guiding lines dito. Ganun kadali gamitin itong QCY V20 Pro mula sa Raid Store Philippines. Ngayon, try natin ang entry-level dashcam mula sa Raid Store Philippines, ang QCY V20 Pro. Now, marami magsasabi na baka pag base model, kinuha natin ang pinakamurang model na pangit na siya. Pero actually, this one still records 1080p, so it still is full HD. And it's relatively easy to use. It's not the most user-friendly, pero pwede na rin. So, touch lang to para mag-cycle ka through the views. Gusto mo nung likod naman, madali rin naman gamitin, pero hindi siya kasing dali gamitin as the higher models that Raid Store has to offer. So kung ang hanap mo ay mas madali pang gamitin, there are always the higher models that Raid Store offers. Pero kung medyo tight ang budget natin, hindi ka rin madidismaya dito with this V20 Pro, because compared to the other dashcams that other brands offer, this is still way easier to use and napakalinaw pa rin niya gamitin. So I'm sure you will be very happy with what the V20 Pro has to offer. Now, one more thing pala na nakalimutan ko i-mention, pero nakita ko na Now, one more thing pala that this one has that pretty much the entire range has rin. So again, you're not shortchanged is you still get your reverse camera. So the very moment na ilagay ko lang yung kotse into reverse, automatic na rin na mag-on ang reverse camera at napakabilis niya mag-on. Meron ka na rin guiding lines dito. And there we have it, everyone. Nakita na natin ang mga models ng dashcam ng Raid Store Philippines. Ready na ba kayo magkaroon ng sarili niyong dashcam? Well, not to worry because Raid Store Philippines even does home service installation for free. Whether you're from North or South Luzon, pati Cebu and Davao, lahat yan pwede. Kung gusto niyo rin naman mag-walk-in, meron rin silang mga branches which we will list down here below. Tingnan niyo na lang. Tapos meron din pala kayong free na 32 gig na memory card para ready na kayo agad gamitin ang inyong mga dashcams. Kaya ano pang hinihintay niyo? Punta na sa Raid Store Philippines. Tingnan lang ang Facebook page nila at bili na ngayon. Once again, this has been Kyle Yong on behalf of Raid Store Philippines, and I really do hope that you also buy your next dashcam today for your safety.